A brief demo on how to make a new hotspot and a new object. So I have my hotspot model here. I'm going to drag it in as a child of master list. It's important that everything is a child of a master list. And so I want this to be a spot for penguins, and the tag does not exist yet, so I'm going to create it. Now it's important to note when making a tag in this manner, just in case someone doesn't know, it doesn't automatically assign it, so that could cause a headache, so make sure you assign it once you create the tag. Then we're going to add the spot manager script, and there is your hotspot ready to go. If you know you're going to be using the same hotspot in a lot of locations, same dimensions, everything, or even if not, you can still just drag it in as a prefab and it'll have the script and tag ready to go, and you can drag them in, change the dimensions as needed. So now I'm going to go to my models and I'm going to pull out the penguin, also a child of master list. Now this is just the model, this isn't actually the manager / the actual object, so for that I'm going to create an empty game object, make it a child of master list. Then I'm going to go to the hotspot, or any hotspot that it would be placed at, and I'm going to copy the transform component. This game object, I'm going to call this penguin1. I'm going to paste the transform values, and now it is there. Now I'm going to take the penguin, and I'm going to place it on the hotspot exactly how I would like it to look once it is instantiated in the scene. I'm going to make it a little bigger, and I want it to look this way. So now this is how it will spawn when clicked while the program's running. And so now we need to make this a child of penguin1. And remember, this is the model. This is the actual object itself. So we're going to give this the tag of penguin. We're going to give this the object component script. And then, so you have your selected and not selected for the GUI scroll. And I have those here. So I'm going to assign them. Okay, and it is ready to go. So now you have this penguin prefab, and it's important that you put it in the resources folder. And we can delete the one from the scene now. It's ready to go. And so now that our list of objects and hotspots has gotten bigger, we need to increase the arrays and add it to the list. I'm going to actually change this to penguin spot 1. So there it is, it's our last hotspot in the array, and then we're going to increase this. And from the resources folder, we are going to drag penguin1 here. So now when I run, I click on penguin with halo, there's our hotspot, and there he spawns like we placed him towards the back, looking to the right.